We're at Stratford-Upon-Avon. Just going dusk now. Just on the river now, Stratford-Upon-Avon. Okay, here we are by the marina in Stratford-Upon-Avon. It's quite difficult to navigate on a bike actually. We stopped for a cup of tea. I've got a packet of ready salted crisps. I've got 4 dark chocolate biscuits and some tea. Okay, I'll just try it for you. Lovely. Ready sorted. I've got this little speaker that plays off my phone.
Challenge for the strongest mind when driven round the bend.
It's brilliant, and also when I'm using my Garmin it tells me where to go as well. It's brilliant.
You can place your goodwill in the centre of the fire.
One cup of tea left, I think.
Today. He falls from the sky and it crushes us to the ground. Movements are sluggish and enthusiasm can't be found. I can't see anything out there. I'm close for business today. Take your pills and push the quilts away. Try to figure out what broke the day. A chemical imbalance or just circumstance? Or is it just a part of me by random chance? Answers on a postcard and send them right away. I'm close for business today.
So that's it. Stratford-Upon-Avon. It's been not a bad ride, to be fair. Just had a flask of tea and 4 chocolate biscuits. And we're going to head on back home now. Thanks for watching. I'll bring you back next time. Bye for now.
Social media is sucking out the light. Step away from the monitor and spend more time in real life. Self-comparison can only do you harm. It's all a facade anyway. While I procrastinate, the hours tick on by. But when the fog descends, there is no how or where or why. You can leave your goodwill in the center of the fire. I'm close for business today. Take your pills and push the quilts away. And try to figure out what broke the day. Chemical imbalance or just circumstance? Or is it just a part of me by random chance? Answers on a postcard and send them right away. I'm close for business today.